One watchman, he die for inside Douala here. He be dinner for night for that side. So for some inside cooperative, as we see people that be enter for day, we go show another palava this afternoon. We go so try for understand what way pass for inside this arrangement. Now for Batibo Cooperative Credit Union, where that one he pass overnight. So for inside Tori for this afternoon. Konsamba, he get Ngomna delegate or he no get na question that we'll go try for ask him and also go struggle for answer that question inside Tori for this afternoon. After we will go turn for inside Konsamba town. For that side for Boya, Tolem, place where the prayer for Mama Mary, now who the chakara the place, na natural palavam or na ketu them. We go get the answer for inside Tori for Douala Yem. I don't promise. We go take una go for place where they call them say Minkwele and even place where they call them say Boadibo and Bojongo. Plenty will worry them una go see them this afternoon. Newspaper then says the day as where they talk we go bring all story for now for this side for Equinox Story House. Big part talk, e talk for we say waiting. Say but e be sabi say iwowo na for sika why that way e the only turn na for night. I say but e sabi say iwowo na for sika why that way e the waka only for night. Akwanga Henry na he send we big part talk for this afternoon. E the send am now for that side where they call am say Banga Bakunzu. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. We glad for joining us for this side so for Equinox Story House. Chapter 2 for Inside Tori for this side so for Douala. Chapter 1, we go enter now for Inside Palava for Thief. We be start time for after morning time as well be meet up for here. Make we enter one time for talk this Palava Thief way happen. Now for Batibo Cooperative Credit Union for just for Besenge side day. It happen at this morning time. Where work people that want only enter for day. They see as well they don't key watchman. Then they don't cut iron where they take cover window. Enter for inside Batibo Cooperative Credit Union. No man never sabi who do that kind of work. They only come into na one watchman where he don't die. All man he be then a palava for waiting it happen. Sabi say Okada people then say sideways something it happen. Now then say go fair here. Say they don't come. So now they struggle for make investigate for sabi where pass for inside Batibo Cooperative Credit Union. After where they close work yesterday, they won't come back the morning time where it is so thief people they don't enter for inside the place. Key one of the watchman, then broke even window, enter for inside for thief. We never feel for confirm whether the thief plenty money or they even succeed for common money. But we go surely bring another story when we turn back for here for morning time. We take una now so as we talk now for window where the thief people they pass. Make we try for enter for see the side where they cut am. Sabi say we do all work now for far away so na no go fit for see am fine. Now window that iron so na the same manager will stop small for come back. We'll come back small for that place for show them say na iron that iron so they take cover window where they don't cut all the iron. Then they enter now for inside that place. Camera says way it be the look place. They broke the camera, put them for one side. Then they enter for that side as soon as they see and so far away they don't cut all the iron there for window. Then the thief people they not enter for inside. We never feel for confirm how much money they thief am. But we go surely give another story when we turn back for here for some time tomorrow. We go left that palava for thief. We take una go for place where they call them say Tole. Now for plenty people them, even Catholic people they sabi the place. Now place where Mama Mary he own place for prayer he dem for side for Sase country people them. Now for them we go enter. Now the place that's where Mama Mary aboki turn up, where people they ever go prayer for day, drink water. Now waiting chakara the place. Plenty pomporon be talk say na ketu them. They be enter for day for chakara the place. But last, according to Father say we will enter for inside that place for make investigate. They try for tell we say the place where they the prayer for that side so for Sase where Mama Mary aboki tana for them. They try for tell we say na landslide. As well they talk on ground, he come up for up, then he come down, he throw away, enter for inside that place where Mama Mary Yaboki turn up. Sabi say plenty people then for that side for Boyam. They ever gonna for this place for go prayer where they put Mama Mary. Now for they prayer, drink water, carry some water, self go for house. The only one go meet up away the place, he don't chakaram. Some people they be already start talk, say na ke to them, uniform people they go chakara the place. But last, story we enter for we EM, they try for talk for we say, e dey so, na water, plenty rain wey don dey overflow for Boyam, e make ground, e comot for on top he throw away for down that side where people they ever pray and they talk say me Mama Mary he come for can help them. So tori wey be don dey go for social media for Facebook, e be dey try for talk na say dey so na ke to them uniform people they go chakara the place, but father for that side they don't talk say na landslide. E mean say na over rain, ground is soft, e comot for he walk asote, he go down, he go chakara the place. As well na sesep na the takes yam, make them no put blame on top uniform people them. As well father themselves for that side, they don't try for confirm for we say na palava landslide. It means say na poto e come up for hill, e go down, e go chakara the place. We go enter now for inside as well we country the go for before. Konsamba side chapter 1, we talk na how we wrote for inside Konsamba a day. Normal. Town like in Konsamba, where Ngomna delegate dey for day. Di kind of road them. See office, see road for office. You dey see no? Hole. Una dey see no? Na office that. Inside quarter say Konsamba town. E no better. All corner. You dey see na hole and water wey turn up. Okada people dey take na style. Whether na for which kind of quarter or na which side. We turn for inside Konsamba sote na only one road they will meet up. Now when people they ask question, Governor delegate a day for inside Konsamba or in no day. D.O. the day for inside Konsamba or the no day. When we get the kind of one road and so, who side will go? 2035. Kunkuma Tose must go for before. How this thing go happen? How it no go happen? Now road than that inside town. Quota e don owe all whole the day for all corner. When rain fall, na different thing. Accident then say for the kind of road na ABC. Yes, accident for the kind of road them. For inside Konsamba, na shame. Bibi disgrace. Whether na say governor delegate them, they no get power. Man no sabi. If they no get power, make they push them for one side. Even for the same Konsamba, dirty e dey. I say for the same Konsamba dirty na come and see. See how they trade dirty. Una dey say no? Dirty for all corner for inside Konsamba. Then the thing where it is sweet me for day. Now say na the same people themselves they can't throw the dirty. Them too they cry dirty. That one e dey like say na back motor where they don't carry level for day. Whether the motor don't spoil or na that company where they carry dirty. So they use na the kind of motor na for carry dirty. City where they don't go turn up. They go put na which dirty for day, they no put am. See am? Una see where they happen. Then some quarter then sep. When rain fall na different thing. The one na house where people they don't run. Age don't catch am. And when rain dey fall for the quarter, na different thing. People they know they sleep for inside the house. Water they enter for the quarter so they wey no dey. So plenty house they dey for inside the particular quarter. From Konsamba where people they don't abandon. I say people they don't run come up for day. For Sika say when rain enter. I say when water rain fall. Water they enter for people that have sote chakara people that cargo them. So plenty people there. They don't come up for inside the quarter just for Sika say water rain, you know, they see una see. How people they go manage the step for Shidon for this kind of place? How they go fig manage Shidon? Governor delegates a day for Konsamba or in no day. Plenty work they. Konsamba dirty. Konsamba road no day. Then even company where the look out dirty too, they don't go turn up something for day. Una see their own. So which people they go put dirty for inside day? Which people they no put up? Man, I think come for this site. Make we let people from Konsamba have time. But the man, tell me the chapter for dirty for inside Konsamba.
They put dirty every day, but you can't carry back. Still dirty remains. See in Konsamba the dirty. Don't be surprised. Saying Konsamba, isn't when Konsamba clean. every day, but every day they take Konsamba. So we don't really know whether the government delegate from Konsamba or it's outside. We don't really know. See dating Konsamba, outside, even for back, go for any place so they take. So I don't know whether they carry and I wish to anything see they see every day. So not happen. Be very discouraged. Town like Konsamba, even inside town, so we go for side for back life, instead we go for quarter and the worst. So very good. Now even go block, even go go for quarter. To quarter interpret the house and I did that. So I don't know they rain this for discipline people from Konsamba, so that means the Konsamba be clean. But they put camp put dirty, they put them inside gutter, the block gutter again. So we don't really know whether what really happen for Konsamba.
Yes, Konsamba with a big palaver, big problem. Konsamba too. If the talk saying governor delegate no get hand for fixed roads, you no get hand for dirty, how for bush where flow for the whole town from Konsamba? Governor delegate or DO them or mayor them. Una two na no get hand. Now feed this for inside Konsamba where they don't level. Fee it don't turn a place where they fee cash beef. 1961, 1962. Una see fee. Una see ah. Now fee this where they don't level. It don't turn on a bush. I say the place it don't turn on a bush. Man, you know sabi whether people the way they put them for chair, they dey for chop money. Or they dey for work for say make the people themselves they feel say they get people the way they dey for on top their skin. When they left bush so for the whole place, they go touch that one a bush place. Now town this. See as well bush floor for the whole town from Konsamba. See ya. It means say they no get even machine for can clear or for put holiday work people them for clear the whole place. They want a disgrace. That one it show say they know the work. See how they make mash. See as well grass it don't grow. And all man in the past. You know this year. A day like say the one you know even concern them. They want a big disgrace. When you the talk saying Konsamba and Konsamba, it means saying Konsamba don't dirty. Welcome to Konsamba dirty town. Now feed that. Where they be the user in those days. Now they feed they don't abandon. It don't turn a place where if you go put your trap, you catch a beef. Governor delegates, he did do his own work. Mayor they did do their own work. DO they say they don't even talk for them. You understand? Then bush, he just turn up. People they catch none that beef them. You go put your trap, you catch beef. They don't left all thing. Fee, it don't just be abandoned. It means say they know they do not dance for inside the fee again. You understand? Then even for inside town, bush they for outside. It means say we must to talk before una sabi say work there for inside Konsamba. Una see? Bush for outside for inside town. Maybe the other one they go talk say they for bush. But the one na for central town. Now place that they make mash. When I see the place where bush turn up, then the people they say they don't just lock their eye. They say after all. Now in that, oh boy, I they call repe say oh boy, Papa, tell we palava from Konsamba with time we rain in the fall.
Now the way it is, so time we rain for water plenty. For pass for bridge there, the bridge small where all that kind of water fit pass. Water they enter for people their house. And you know if you come out for your house, you go out by inside water and you come inside water, so you know fine. So all these houses where then there for here, they suffer a lot. All the people where then there for the place. Some people then they try for stop that way for dig road for water me big. And some others, them know they do their own section. So now they block water. House for abandoned, no, they for yeah, because you know we begin stay inside water all time. You stay for place water you there for house. I mean time where rain fall, water come enter spoil all things where you buy. How you go do again? It needs you buy new ones. So for stay for yourself it be dangerous. It be only time for politics where some big man become for here, they do campaign. But they be try for talk say me they open that bridge for road there. According to the big man no. He say me they open that bridge for road there. And the people where they be put for do the bridge,
they not do fine.
They not do fine, yes. So them instead for big bridge big, them be na small bridge. Throughout on the one.
Yes. Now we contribute that when they give work, say make people then do they only go do their own chop money, carry someone go with them. Leave na people them for suffer, and they know the turn back say for go evil inspect the work for that side so can the people them. So for Tori for this afternoon we never finish school it is start small time, but government school for Minkwele. How they go enter? Na Juwala for be that. How this government school it go be? Minister for primary school book. Na school this inside water. Una the see school. How picking them when rain it go fall plenty. Then water enter for inside the school. How picking they go money enter for inside the school. When water it flop so for all corner. Now question at the answer. Make una start check una sense as well picking they get for tomba for school. When una make school level na for inside water. How picking they go money come back. See compound. Una see no? Water turn for all sides. Now it means say na small rain will fall, small picking rain. It means say when plenty rain fall. Water the enter meet up picking them for inside school. How picking they say they go money enter, say cross enter for school. Question. Now the thing that will never fit for answer. And now the people themselves for Minkwele, for under Douala for they hear bad. Now it means say where will they be this school? Question we must to ask them. When we see the kind of school so, then picking they say they can't school small time. Water don't flow for outside. Who said they go make assembly where they go make mash? It means say they don't go make assembly no. When the kind of school they so they no go make assembly. Water flow for all corner. Pikin they go enter school now how? They go bring a canoe or they go bring they go make na small bridge for them. When they talk, school it start small time. You know overtake from today. School it start. Now government school Minkwele be that. That one na chapter 1. As so those are enter small. Make we take una enter for different chapter for inside. So for chapter for inside that place of Minkwele and Bojongo. The people them for they no get water. 21st century Cameroon, Benin capital, water no day. They dis also carry water inside where? Shame. I say shame. Cameroon no boso. We will go for before. 2035 we will go for before. And we will also they carry water for inside where? Tap water no they come out. When they carry water so for inside here, say make the drinker. What you want? Say make it happen for them. Now sick? Or you want to say make the trunk so that they go walk so that 2035 will go for before. Big shame. People then for 21st century, number 21st century, they just also carry water for inside water, inside well. When no day, tap water no they come out. Tap they don't go by forced pension. Tap no they come out. But you go turn for the whole place. Minkwele and even for place where they call them say Boadibo. Water you know they come out. All man they go now with the bucket, he go carry water for well. I say we go show tap them small time. Even tap them say we go see us where they don't put tap Even met a say turn for corner. But water no they come out. Now for well. I say now inside where people they carry water, country know the day. Yes, country know they go for before. We the only turn up with the talk. Vote in the can small time. As I be say campaign go start. Now for you for make your own choice so. No way say make they come for you say they go give water there water no they see dirty water we put they carry them for where. One way they go drink, one way they go even use a wash skin, one way they go use and cook chop. After people they go start talk say wetin. People they go start talk say where we know where. The same place hospital no dey. When man in nowhere before they go carry man come up for outside for take and go hospital. Big problem. So we dey try for talk say country we dey go for before. We need to go now for back. We need to go now for back. So when we dey so see the kind of thing they sorted now, it means say we need to go for before. Now that tap themselves they turn up, but they know they come out. Dirty self. Now one thing be that. I say dirty. See side where they throw dirty. See water. The water pass for inside dirty. He carry small dirty. He carry the other one. Then he do waiting. He block road. People then say una know the shame. When una dey carry dirty then go throw and so for road. When una no see place where dirty get for be. Una know the shame. Then the company say where they work for a dirty place. Una say I give una cafe. Una dey do better work for say una dey see the kind of dirty. Una dey so level una. After all. Una don't know they una plenty. See dirty for the whole place. How man no go sick? Douala for Cameroon. Benin capital. See fine place where they don't put and say me put the cash she don't rest. For take a moto. Na place that they don't go trade dirty. Na disgrace that no? Big shame. Oh boy. Tell me the chapter for water for Nakwata.
Water, but we no get water. We call water na for where? Maybe you don't put we the office for it. We no, one, not the functioning. No one, not the no one, not the deep. We don't know two way. They don't come put them. What don't come put them for it? Only for full eye. We don't know two way. The worker. We do for bad for it. Now look, we carry water na for where? No water, no day. For where? The west have no clean, no nothing. That run the force of water, the plant for the crop, until they enter for inside. Well, we don't get water for bad boy. We need water for bad boy.
Water no dey for Boadibo. Yes. And now we go enter for road. Make una see express road. Na Bojongo be that. Their own road na small pikin. They get na only small hole them. With small water we turn up. Don't want no problem. Okada people they fit tiptoe for corner they pass. You understand? The one na small pikin. But the so talk road no day. True. The road so na the sea and so it dey continue. Na big road where if road for Bekoko lock, they be the first use na the road before they open road for Bekoko. Now the road as well Bekoko ondo open better, they don't forget the road. So the road it don't rot in so it don't rot in the smell na smell. You understand? Una no fit smell am. But when una see am, una go understand say no way. It no fit happen so. The one if you help like number 2 road when the Bekoko road is block or when traffic dey una see as well road dey. The one na grand frère, big brother for hole. You enter for there, you make mistake, you fool the court. Now one hold that. Just for corner. Another one dey. For tell we say, the people they the young way. When you come up for Carrefour music, you enter. Oh, una see oh. Now better road than be this. And the road this way be the fair help. Time where Bekoko side never open. It dey go for southwest. It dey go for south for west. But as well they don't open Bekoko side. See, even Okada they say they hear bad. They don't fit pass. For Sekase road don't rot in. It don't rot in fini all. Who side will they go? Will they go now for before? Or will they go now for back? When una see the kind of fine road. See, it is so say they don't put quota for them no. But quota all Asian cash quota. Now they don't forget. When no they say all Asian cash quota so they tire. Hole for one side, hole for different side. Now see one hole as well hole did it. And the road where people they also use na quarter for inside Douala here. Whether na for Mongo or na for Douala 4 or na for side there, na quarter. We go continue for that road. But before we continue, make we hear way some people then talk for this palava for road for Bojongo.
Here for we say Bojongo. Government don't forget we. As school start, wait for pass no day. If I say government, that's how we do. Before school one start, the king come fine. The king work fine for come school. If they no do something, we no go be. If I say they see how they go do before the road pass fine. Before school start next week.
We don't know lycée Bojongo. Road for go lycée Bojongo. The road be poor. What are the outside? What are the outside? Which are na meri de forever. The road be poor. Outside be muddy. I don't know how students will manage to pass go school. Where school will start. All the area be nasty. Outside and dirty for the place. I don't know. So make our government try to something at least for arrange the road for go lycée Bojongo.
We did here for
That chapter for that road will go show Nana just for she don't quiet for look at me for Sika say the roads na big problem. I say the road na big problem. Manadin, we go enter for the other part for road tomorrow. Make we get the no comment for that side. enter for Toriwe newspaper then talk this afternoon. Country people them make we take una enter for the Toriwe newspaper they talk. We will turn back for this Palava for road for Douala here when we turn back tomorrow. The road it over plenty. Enter for the guidance post where it dey for outside this morning time. Inside the guidance post, they try for Tewi, as we Philemon Young, even as we Ambazonia people, they be talk, say they no one here, no nothing. Palava for campaign. Philemon Young is also get from heart. He go do CPDM rally for Bamenda, according to team where the guidance post he talk am. Now, so to the guidance post, it announced today, say bar general meeting says it means in an association for lawyer people them, they go get their new president for number 24 day for November moon. Menchum, their own sport, cultural festival says the guidance post we say end fine, and it be been a palava where big minister they say they be there for say make the palava it happen fine. Person wey be she done for here like a IMF big man as well they come out. He don't talk say we get better work with Ministry for Finance and Minipart for inside the country. Other story the day where the guidance post is taken this afternoon. The post weekend assessment day for outside today. They detail we as well Northwest CPDM says their own party they stop presidential campaign meeting where it began for happen for that side for Bamenda for Sika insecurity where she done for day plenty. Inside the same story, you feel it as well some civil servants and they don't start for be like saying people that where they come up for outside for take weight away ngomna it don't give them for help people them where it they so they talk say na people the way they don't run for Sika confusion for Northwest and Southwest. Joshua Osi says it don't come out it 24 points where he go use them for turn out for votes for get new kunkumam as well the guide at the post weekend a talk for we today. We enter to now for inside the Voice newspaper where they for outside country people them. The Voice newspaper where they for outside today. It get its own story for Terry. The Terry say 2 years now where school it never so start some kind of way. No another year it is still start again. Big question. School it go start or it no go start. Nothing that way the Voice newspaper it dey try for action today. Now so today the tell we inside the same palava waiting it dey happen for Northwest Southwest. All that to read and so plus OC Joshua says it 24 points where he come out all thing a day for inside the Voice newspaper where it dey for outside today. Now for day we finish story for this afternoon. Country people them. We want to say happy birthday for you, Barrister Agbabala Felix. You get another year for your head today as well na the prepare self for glad 1 year since we they come out na from Gatam for that side so for Yawinde. Happy birthday for you, Barrister Agbabala Felix. Now for day we finish story. We go turn back for inside story for some time. Now tomorrow. People then for outside country, una fit look we again for 12:30. Tori 2 is there for YouTube. If you know be look you fit on top for inside. Big thank you, Varios. Big thank you, Nadine. Big thank you to Da Silva Mikel and even Innocent Abega. You don't talk table, chop fine. Una all tight.